When you want to add the grid or lines over the photo as overlay, you can use this software Photoscape X. This is very easy way to add grid or lines over the photo. Let's see how to do it. Open the photo. This is free software. You can download this for Windows or Mac. Edit, then lines. You see the lines of the photo. You have many options. In lines, you can add colors. You can add several colors here. Then you can use line thickness bar for increase thickness or decrease thickness, and density. How many grids do you want? This is amazing, and you can increase or decrease the opacity. You can add dots. Many patterns here. I like simple lines, and you can use other options. These are rules. Horizontal and vertical rules. You can change the density, thickness, angle. This is so amazing. And you can change the opacity. This is like a mesh. So amazing software for adding lines and grids, rules. You can apply your desired pattern and hit the save button. Thank you for watching.